In this video, I'll guide you through how to add your portfolio on Indeed so your profile looks more professional and complete to potential employers. We'll go through the process step by step, and I'll also share a few tips to help you make the most of your portfolio links. Let's start from your Indeed home dashboard. When you first sign in, you'll usually land on a page where you can see job recommendations, recent searches, and shortcuts to your profile. From here, the first thing you want to do is open your profile editor. Look for your account menu, typically represented by your name or an account icon near the top of the page. Click there and then choose the option that takes you to your profile. Once your profile page opens, you should see sections like your resume, work experience, education, and skills. What you're looking for is the area where you can add links or external work samples. Depending on the current layout, this might be labeled as websites, links, portfolio, or something similar within your profile editor. Now, go ahead and enter the links to your portfolio. This could be your personal website, a portfolio hosted on another platform, or direct links to specific projects and work samples. For example, if you're a designer, you might link to an online gallery of your designs. If you're a developer, you might link to a code repository or a live demo of an app you built. Writers can link to published articles or a blog, while marketers might share campaign pages or analytics dashboards they're allowed to show. As you add each link, take a moment to check that the URL is correct. A simple way to do this is to paste the link into a new browser tab and confirm that it opens exactly where you expect. Broken links or pages that require special permissions can be frustrating for recruiters, so it's worth making sure everything works smoothly. When you're adding these links, think about relevance and clarity. Choose examples of your work that best represent the type of roles you're applying for. If there's an option to add a title or short description for each link, use it to explain what the viewer will see. For instance, you might label a link as marketing portfolio site or mobile app design case study, so hiring managers know what to expect before they click. After you've entered all your portfolio links and double-checked them, it's time to save your updates. Look for a Save or Done button within the profile editor, usually near the bottom or top right of the section you've been editing. Click it once and wait for the page to confirm that your changes have been saved. This step is important. If you close the page or navigate away before saving, your new links might not be stored. Once everything is saved, you can quickly scroll through your profile to confirm that your portfolio links are visible and showing up where you expect them. From now on, when employers and recruiters view your Indeed profile, they'll have direct access to your best work, which can make a strong impression and help you stand out from other candidates.